Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. My name is Daryl, and these are my teammates, Nate, Nicole, and Josh. We are the team behind your new favorite word game, GrabGab. So what is GrabGab? GrabGab is a nautical-themed animated word game that is fun, engaging, and interactive. As you can see, we have Gabby the Crab as our mascot. And GrabGab supports real-time multiplayer interactions, anywhere from a minimum of 2 players all the way up to 4 players. If you're curious as to what inspired us to create GrabGab, it's because we did a ton of market research and we found a dire lack of crab and nautical related word games that were fun, engaging, but most importantly, visually and aesthetically pleasing. To make it convenient for our users, GrabGab is mobile, iPad, and web responsive. Users have the ability to create new game rooms in the lobby, as well as join existing ones. Let's take a look at how to play a game now. Here we actually see 3 users getting set up to join a new game. And I'll pass the mic to Nicole to talk us through how the game works.
Thank you, Daryl. So all the players in the room are playing on the same board. And players search words from the board using the letter that next to each other. When someone submits a valid word, this letter will disappear from the board and replaced by other random letters. And your score will base on the letter you use and the length of your word. And if you cannot find a word on the board anymore, you can shuffle it by clicking the button on the bottom, or if you are playing on your phone, just shake your phone. And we have an extra feature that is, if you play a 6-letter or longer word, a crab dancing man will block other users' words for 3 seconds. Yeah, that's it. And now Josh will talk about all the technical challenges we have in our app.
So one technical challenge we faced in coding GrabGab was maintaining a consistent game state, essentially the game board, between all 4 players given the rapid gameplay. And so the way that we decided to confront this was by executing the game logic and maintaining that game state on the server side. To understand why this was such an important feature, let's take a look at a case where Merman plays the word hunk. A fraction of a second later, before his board has been updated, Nemo plays the word fish. Now, a server-side algorithm is going to check whether the H in fish is the same H that was used in the word hunk. If it was, then the word's not valid because that tile's already been used and probably replaced by a different letter. If it's a different H, then it is valid and the word will be validated and all 4 players' boards will update accordingly. GrabGab also relies on really split-second word validation to ensure that players can only play words that are actually in the dictionary. And the way we accomplished this was with a try data structure that we populated with the 180,000 words from the Scrabble dictionary. And now I'm going to pass the mic to Nate, who's going to tell you a little bit about some other features of GrabGab outside of the gameplay.
Thank you, Josh. So in addition to the game itself, we have profiles for all our users. These keep your email address, your username, and also information like your high score, how many games you played, how many you won, and your longest word. If you click at the bottom, you will see a game history that records all the games that you played and some important information about those games, like win. We have a how to play page. This is just for new users to look at before they play their first game, and so they know what to do when they're going in. And we have a leaderboard as well. And the leaderboard has 4 categories. These are highest scores, games won, win percentage, and longest words. And we keep separate track of the leaders for each of those 4 categories and their stats. That's it for us. We are GrabGab once again. We're deployed online at www.grabgab.com, so you can check us out anytime you like and play a game. I hope you liked our app, and thanks for watching.